my name is Ayoka.
And I'm Arianna.
So today we're doing the 3-marker challenge, but we have to do it in 2 minutes. Like when we color, we have to finish it in 2 minutes. So let's see how it's done.
Okay, you can start first.
Okay.
Turquoise.
Green.
Black.
Wow.
Pink.
Wait, same pink?
No, a different type.
Okay. So I got like a coral pink,
Well, I got a turquoise,
and I got a teal,
and I got pink,
and I got another pink or a peach.
and I got black. At least it's a panda.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go.
This is mine. Wow. And I wrote this. I know I'm really bad at cursive, but still, please vote for me because please just vote for me because I just want to win, so. And I draw this, like I colored this because I didn't know what to think of. So this is a belly button, by the way. And it was too short because it was only 2 minutes.
Oh no!
Like 5 minutes is I could do 5 minutes and it could be way better. And yeah, please vote for me.
Okay, so please vote for me because why not? And yeah, and so this is my panda. Wait, so the first time it turns cute, but the last minute I put like pinkish red in the eye, so it becomes weird. Yeah, yours is better than me.
Just kidding, yours is also good.
So the next picture
is
Iron Man's helmet.
Yeah. Red.
Blue.
Brown.
Pink.
Purple.
What's this? I don't know. So the challenge is also 2 minutes. Yeah, so you have to color in 2 minutes. Great.
Yeah.
So
Let's get started.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. vote for me, and if you vote for me, comment #candy for life. And yeah, thank you. Oh, and this is my Iron Man helmet. Yeah, okay. Because I only have like pinkish colors and blue. Yeah.
So this is mine, and please vote for me. And if you did vote for me, then thank you so much. And if you want me to win, please write #Arianna for the win. And then this is my Iron Man.
Candy for life. If you like candy and Iron Man, candy for life.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to
subscribe,
hit the post notification bell,
like,
and comment down below.
Bye. Vote me.
Vote for
Candy
me.
for life.
Arianna for the win.
Candy for life.
Arianna for the win.
Candy for life.
Arianna for the win.
Candy for life.
Arianna for the win.